Welcome to the Professional Data Analytics training in Excel. Dive into the powerful features of Microsoft Excel, a leading tool in data analytics. Start with a simple introduction, exploring key features, and steadily gain proficiency in Excel functions and formulas, vital for performing data manipulations and calculations. Venture into working with data in Excel, connecting to external databases, and engaging in advanced data cleaning and transformation using Power Query. Immerse yourself in exploratory data analysis using pivot tables, a tool crucial for summarizing and analyzing large datasets. The journey doesn't end there. The course concludes with a focus on data modeling and analysis using Power Pivot. This empowers you to create complex data models and perform advanced analytics. Designed to transform you from a beginner to a pro, this course requires no prior knowledge or experience in business intelligence and analytics. Enjoy unlimited access to course materials, even after the training ends, along with downloadable content and hands-on exercises. Earn a badge and enhance your proficiency with Microsoft Excel thanks to this comprehensive training program. Dive in today and unlock the power of Excel for professional data analysis. Immerse yourself in the world of data with Only Quality Data and Shepherd,